Hello students, today we'll discuss weekly test number 2, question and answers. Okay, now the first question, now most of the questions are to differentiate some functions given and to differentiate that function. Now the first question, this is weekly test number 2. Okay, the first question, what is the differentiation of sin x? That means y is equal to sin 2x. Y is equal to sin 2x is given and dy by dx is asked. We know what is dy by dx. It is the differentiation of given function. Differentiation of this. So differentiation of y is dy by dx. Sin something. What is the differentiation of sin something? Differentiation of sin something is cos something. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. So differentiation of sin 2x, differentiation of sin 2x will be cos 2x. As per the rule, differentiation of sin something is cos something as per the rule. But that something is not x. But here the something given which is not x. Then we need to differentiate it again. That is by chain rule. So what is the differentiation of 2x? What is the differentiation of 2x? What is meant by 2x? It is meant by 2x to the power 1. 2x is nothing but 2x to the power 1 because x च्या वरती कोणी आहे का नाही. x is a single term. Now if I differentiate, जेव्हा मी याला differentiate करणार तेव्हा हा 1 खाली येणार. Okay, so it will become 2 into 1 and reduce the power by 1. What is the power rule? Take the power in the numerator and reduce the power by 1. So when this 1 comes to numerator, it will become 2 into 1 and the power becomes 0. And anything to the power 0 is 1. So x to the power 0 will become 1. So answer will be 2. So this is the differentiation. आपण बोल रहे हैं याच्यात differentiation of 5x is 5, differentiation of 3x is 3, differentiation of 8x is 8, differentiation of ax is a. So differentiation of linear is constant. So 2x and 2a. Because differentiation of this x is 1. So multiplied by 2. This is by chain rule. So your answer will be 2 cos 2x. I think option B is correct. Okay, B for only. One more thing. While attending this lecture, please keep open the test in another mobile. Okay, ही test है तुम्ही open करा and attend this lecture in another mobile, so that questions will be in front of you, options will be in front of you, and attend the lecture in another mobile, so that solution you can analyze from the question paper. Next question, question number 2. Y is equal to 5 e to the power 3x plus sin x. Again, see here, y is a sum of two functions. So we can say y is equal to u plus v. This is u, this is v. So we can easily say differentiation of y is equal to differentiation of u plus differentiation of v. Product rule nahi, quotient rule nahi, direct sum hai. A function is equal to sum of two functions. Function is equal to sum of two functions. So that's why we can directly differentiate this plus directly differentiate this. So what is the differentiation of y? It will be dy by dx. What is the differentiation of e to the power something? E to the power something. See students, differentiation of e to the power something is of e to the power x is e to the power x. So differentiation of e to the power 3x will be e to the power 3x. Differentiation of e to the power something is e to the power something itself. But that something is not x. This something is not x. So we need to differentiate it again in the product. And that is called chain rule. Okay. So what is the differentiation of 3x? Now only we have seen what is the differentiation of 2x. Differentiation of 2x is 2. Same way, differentiation of 3x will be 3. कसं बघा? This 3x खूप वेळा मी हे रिवाइज केले. This x can be written as h to the power 1. Now apply the differentiation. When this 1 comes to numerator, take the power of the numerator and reduce the power by 1. This 1 comes to numerator and power will become 0, and anything to the power of 0 will be 1. So it will be 3 into 1 into 1. It will be 3. So लक्षात घ्या, आपण असं म्हणू शकता differentiation of ax is a. म्हणजे a कोणी असू शकतो. 1x 1, 2x 2, 2x 2, 3x 3. So 8x 8, 11x 11, 25x 25. So constant into x चा differentiation constant असतो. Constant into x. त्याचं differentiation constant. So या 3x चा करायला पाहिजे. का करायला पाहिजे? chain rule. Because e to the power something the differentiation e to the power something, but that something is not x. Something is other than x. So we need to differentiate it again. What is that something? 3x. So what is the differentiation of 3x? 3. So differentiate it into the product, and that is called chain rule. This is du by dx. This whole term is du by dx. Plus what is dv by dx? Differentiation of sin x. We know what is differentiation of sin x. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. So it will be cos x. Now this 3 into 5, it will be 15 e to the power 3x plus cos x. 15 e to the power 3x plus cos x. So here option B is correct. Here also option B is correct. B for Bombay. Option B is correct. Okay. So this is question number 2. Now next question. Write everything, students. Pause the video. तुम्हाला वाटतं असेल आत्ताच लिहायला सरांनी लगेच पुसून टाकलं. अरे पण हा ऑफलाईन क्लास नाहीये की तुम्हाला लिहायचा चान्सच नाही मिळाला. राईट डाऊन करायचा चान्स नाही मिळाला. आत्ताच तर लिहायला लगेच रफ केलं. तुम्ही व्हिडिओ पॉज करा, जरासा रिवाइंड करा आणि सगळं घेऊन घ्या. ठीक आहे. Next question, question number 3. X square plus 2, sorry, question number 3 is y is equal to x cube into ln x. Y is equal to x cube into ln x. Student, I have told you what is mean by ln x. Ln x is nothing but log x base e. Ln x is nothing but log x base e. Okay. Now here it is the product of two functions. It is the product of two functions. Which are the two functions? X cube is the first function. Okay. X cube is the first function. This is u and this is v. You know, when there is a product of two functions, what is the product rule? Dv by dx will be differentiation of first into second function plus differentiation of second into first function. Differentiation of first into second function plus differentiation of second into first function. So what is the differentiation of first? What is the differentiation of x cube? Differentiation of x cube will be 3x square. Take the power in the numerator and reduce the power by 1. So I have taken the power 3 in the numerator and reduced the power 3 by 1. So 3 minus 1 will be 2. This is the differentiation of first into second function as it is. What is the second function? It is ln x. Second function as it is. Next, plus dv by dx. dv by dx म्हणजे काय? Differentiation of second. What is second function? V. Differentiation of v म्हणजे differentiation of ln x. What is written by ln x? ln x is log x. What is the differentiation of ln x? बघा ln x म्हणजे कोण? ln x म्हणजे log x. शॉर्ट फॉर्म आहे या आणि याचा डिफरन्शिएशन असतं 1 upon x. Differentiation of log something is 1 upon something. Now here differentiation of second, that means differentiation of ln x, it will be 1 by x. Differentiation of log x will be 1 upon x into first function. What is the first function? X cube. Now tell me, here only single x is present in the denominator and 3x are there. X cube is there in the numerator. So total 3x are there. So when I cancel this, x cancel out 1x from this x cube and x square will be remaining. X square will be remaining. Okay? Because here there are total 3x and in the denominator there is only 1x, single x. And when this single x cancel out this x cube, so out of 3x, 1x will be cancelled out and only x square, meaning only x square. So see, 3x square and x. From here and there we can take x square common. So it will be x square in the bracket 3 ln x plus 1. So this is your answer. Or directly you can write this answer. Both are correct. This is simplified answer and this is obtained by differentiation. So see, du by dx differentiation of x cube, it is 3x square. That time for second function as it is 1 by x, that is the differentiation of second function. This time first function as it is. So x and x square just like x cancel. So this is question number 3. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is x square plus 2xy is equal to y square. X square plus 2xy is equal to y square. Question is find dy by dx. What is dy by dx? Now this is implicit function. Implicit function म्हणजे काय? इथं dy by dx y जो आहे, y is dependent on x or it is mixed with x. ठीक है? Interlinked. So differentiate directly. What is the differentiation of x square? Differentiation of x square is 2x. Take the power in the numerator and reduce the power by 1. So ही जी 2 power आहे ही आपण numerator मध्ये घेतलेली आहे and power will become 1 now. Okay? That is 2x plus differentiation of 2xy. 2 आहे से ठेवतो. 2 is a constant. Now xy is a product. xy is a product. So we can apply product rule. What is the product rule? What is the product rule? Differentiation of first, differentiation of x is 1, second function as it is, that is y. तुम्ही म्हणला सर डिफरन्शिएशन ऑफ 1 x 1 कसा आला? आपण बघितलंय मगाशीच बघितलं आपण डिफरन्शिएशन ऑफ ax is a, differentiation of 2x is 2, differentiation of 3x is 3. म्हणजे कसं बघितलं त्याची पॉवर 1 आहे, 1 खाली येणार, पॉवर 0 होणार. सो सेम वे डिफरन्शिएशन ऑफ x will be 1, 1x, 1x आहे ना, काय नाही म्हणजे इकडे कोण आहे 1x चा वर्ग. डिफरन्शिएशन ऑफ x is 1, y as it is, plus x as it is second time काय करतो आपण डिफरन्शिएशन ऑफ फर्स्ट सेकंड as it is, differentiation of second. What is the differentiation of y? Y is the second function, x is the first, y is the second. X is u, y is v. Differentiation of u, v as it is, differentiation of v म्हणजे y चा differentiation. v कोण आहे? y आहे ना second function. Differentiation of second, that time first as it is. What is first? x as it is equal to y square. What is the differentiation of y square? समजा हा x square असता, हा x square असता, तर differentiation काय असतं? What is the differentiation of x square? It will be 2x. Take the power in the numerator and reduce the power by 1. Okay? So याचा पण काय ना 2y. Take the power in the numerator and reduce the power by 1. So the new power will become 1. New power will become 1. Okay? But हे कधी पॉसिबल आहे? इथं जर x असेल, जर x असेल तर आपण x स्क्वेअर चा काय लिहितो 2x. मग इथं y स्क्वेअर आहे, सो फर्स्ट assume it as x. First assume it as x and apply the power rule. आपण त्याला x assume करून त्याचं डिफरन्शिएशन केलं तर y स्क्वेअर झालं 2y, सेम as this. बट हा x नाही आहे, मी याचाही परत करायला पाहिजे ना, that is not x. So we need to differentiate it again by chain rule. तो x नाही आहे तर त्याचा परत करायला पाहिजे. So what is the differentiation of y? It is dy by dx. Now in this question dy by dx is asked. dy by dx is asked. बघा dy by dx is appeared here as well as here. dy by dx is appeared two times. So to find dy by dx we need to take the dy by dx on either side. कोणत्या मध्ये एका साइडला आपल्याला टोटल dy by dx टर्म लिहायला पाहिजे. ठीक आहे. सो फर्स्ट आय विल ओपन दिस ब्रॅकेट किंवा असं बघा इथं 2 आहे, इथं 2 आहे, इथं 2 आहे. सो आय विल डिवाइड द होल इक्वेशन बाय 2. जर मी 2 ने डिवाइड केलं तर काय होईल? हा 2 आणि हा 2 काय होईल? कॅन्सल होऊन जाईल. ओके. नाउ द रिमेनिंग थिंग विल बी x plus y plus x dy by dx is equal to y dy by dx. Okay. Now when this term ही वाली term goes to RHS, it will become negative because it is positive on left hand side. So here it will be x plus y is equal to y dy by dx minus x dy by dx. Now student, tell me, we can take dy by dx and dy by dx common from these two terms. So it will be x plus y is equal to dy by dx as common इथून dy by dx कॉमन आला, इथून dy by dx. Here it will be y minus x. Now this y minus x is in the product on RHS. At RHS it is in numerator, and when it comes to LHS it will go to denominator. Hence dy by dx will be equal to x plus y, half bracket in the divide होगा, it will become y minus x. So this is the answer. It is one of the nice question. So differentiation of x square is 2x. This 2 as it is. Here it is the product of two functions x and y. Differentiation of first x over y as it is. Second function as it is, plus differentiation of second. So differentiation of y is dy by dx. First as it is, that is x as it is. Then differentiation of y square is 2y. If it is assumed as x square, then it will be 2x, that is 2y, but that is not x. And if the function is something other than x, then differentiate it again. What is the differentiation of y? That is dy by dx. Okay, that is called chain rule. Now from whole equation, if I divide it by 2, then this 2 and this 2, all 2 will get cancelled. Here we are living with x, y and x divided by dx. Here y divided by dx. When this x divided by dx goes to that side, it will become negative. Y divided by dx minus x divided by dx. From these two terms, if I take dy by dx as common, here y will remain, and from here x will remain. Now this y minus x is in numerator. When it comes to this side, it will goes to denominator. So this is dy by dx. Okay. Next question, which is very easy. Question number 5. That is bonus question for you. Why bonus question? Question number 5 is very easy. You have asked what is the differentiation of y is equal to log x. Lallu question. Anybody can attempt. Y is equal to log x. The differentiation of say 1 upon x. Differentiation of log something is 1 upon something. Differentiation of log something is 1 upon something. So this is the answer. Very simple question. Y is equal to root of x plus 1. Now to differentiate this, first I will write y is equal to this root, we can write x plus 1 to the power half. I have applied power rule. I have taken power to the numerator, take the power to the numerator and reduce the power by 1. So old power is half. Okay. Okay. Half minus 1. Half minus 1. So cross multiplying, it will be 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 upon 2. What is 1 minus 2? It is minus 1. Minus 1. आवाज येतो तोपर्यंत मी आन्सर्स लिहिलेले आहेत. आय विल एक्सप्लेन. ओके, नाउ सी इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, रूट means power half. So I have modified this y, याचा दुसरा फॉर्म लिहिलेला आहे. root of x plus 1, root of x plus 1 means x plus 1 to the power half. Now if I differentiate, what is the power? Power is half. So as per the power rule, what is the power rule? Take the power in the numerator and reduce the power by 1. So half खाली आला and half minus 1. What is half minus 1? Cross multiply. 1 minus 2 upon 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. It is minus half. So half minus 1 is minus half. Negative power. When this x plus 1 having negative power, which is in numerator, and when it goes to denominator, the power will become plus. Minus half power है. पण तो ज्यावेळी डिनॉमिनेटरला जाईल त्याची पॉवर किती होणार आहे? प्लस हाफ. ओके, and what is meant by power half? Power half is nothing but root. Power half is nothing but square root. So this is your answer. Option C, Chennai. Option C for Chennai. Okay, काय केलं कळलं? Root of something is power half. Apply power rule. Half comes to this side. Power will become half minus 1. As per power rule, half minus 1 is minus half. इधर दाखवले कसं 6, 7, 8 क्लास 6वी ची मुलं पण करू शकतात. Half minus 1 is minus half. Now minus half is the new power. When this term goes to denominator, the power becomes positive, and power half means square root. This is C. Now question number 7. 7 is there. This is the 6th. Write down. Question number 8. Y is equal to x into x minus 1 into x minus 2. So y is equal to x square minus x. किंवा असंही म्हणू शकतो आपल्याला ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 समजला? आवाज येतोय त्यामुळे मी काय केलं आहे आन्सर्स दिले. आवाज स्टॉप झाला की मी एक्सप्लेन करतो. 6 मी तुम्हाला एक्सप्लेन केलेलं आहे. रूट ऑफ x plus 1 means power half. Half comes to numerator. Take the power in the numerator and reduce the power by 1. Half minus 1 is minus half. इधर differentiation is finished. इधर पण आन्सर दिला तरी पण चालेल. This answer is also correct. When this minus half comes to numerator, it will become plus, and something to the power half means square root. Okay. So this is question number 6. Now this is question number 9. I can write y is equal to x plus x to the power half to the power 1. This square root is half square root power half. क्वेश्चन आपण डिस्ट्रीब्यूट तरी बघूया जागा जास्त लागेल. ओके टिल दॅट नाउ लेट्स सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. y is equal to v to the power something. What is the differentiation of v to the power something? Differentiation of v to the power something is e to the power something itself. But this something is not x. This something is not x. We need to differentiate it again. What is the differentiation of ax square? This 2 will come to the numerator. It will become 2ax. Power of x will become 1 now because initial power was 2. Reduce the power by 1. The power will become 1. Now bx. bx मुझे 4x so 4, 3x so 3, 2x so 2, ax so a, so bx so b. C is 0. Differentiation of any constant is 0. इथे x नहीं है. X is not there. Why I have differentiated this in the product? Because it is chain rule. E to the power something. Differentiation of e to the power something is e to the power something. But when that something is not x, differentiate this again in the product. That is called chain rule. Now, यहाँ नहीं आ सकता है. Okay, right on. This is question number 7. Okay, come here. It is y x into x minus 1 into x minus 2. I have opened these two brackets. Minus 1 minus 2, that is minus 3x, and minus 2 into minus 1, that is plus 2. Okay, या दोघांची सम असते इथं, या दोघांचा प्रोडक्ट असतो इथं. हे 10th क्लास मध्ये बघितलंय, how to open the two factors of quadratic equation. Now this x, third one, I have multiplied to this bracket. X into x square, x cube, x into 3x, 3x square, x into 2, 2x. Now this is y. मी काही अजून डिफरन्शिएट केलेलं नाहीये. Up to the third step, it is just simplification. Simplified form of this question. या क्वेश्चनला मी ओपन केलेलं आहे फक्त. Now finished. Just differentiate. What is the differentiation of x cube? Power rule. Take the power of the numerator, reduce the power by 1. 3x square. हा 2 खाली येणार. 2 into 3, 6. Power will become 1. Power 3 ची 2 झाली, 2 ची 1 झाली, 2x 2. आपण बघितलं 3x 3, 4x 4, ax a, 2x 2. So x cube sir, take the power in the numerator and reduce the power by 1. Take the power in the numerator, reduce the power by 1. So 3 will come to the numerator, power will become 2. 2 will come to the numerator. तो तुम्ही म्हणायचं 6 कसा आला? Already 3 होता, 3 into 2, 6. Power will become 1 now. 2 ची 1 झाली. And 1 ची 0 झाली. So 2x 2. So how 1 खाली आता 2 into 1 is 2. Here, see, the whole bracket is having power half. Square root means power half. Question number 7 मध्ये होतं तसं. Square root means power half. इथं पण square root आहे म्हणजे याची पण power half. First, assume the whole quantity as x. Apply the power rule. So while applying the power rule, take the power in the numerator and reduce the power by 1. So half I have taken, power reduced by 1, that means half minus 1. Okay. Now this term as it is, but जेव्हा तुम्ही power rule apply केली तो x होता का? नाही. तो काय आहे? x plus square root of x. ज्याच्यावरती आपण power rule apply केला तो काय आहे? x plus square root of x. It is something other than x. So we need to differentiate it again in the product. What is the differentiation of x? 1 and याचा differentiation plus power is half, take the power in the numerator half and reduce the power by 1. So the power new power will become half minus 1. आत्ताच आपण बघितलं half minus 1 is minus half. So x plus what is x to the power half? It is root x. Half minus 1 it will be minus half. Half minus 1 will be minus half. multiplied by 1 plus half minus 1 will become minus half. Now minus half means it will become plus half in the denominator. So it will be x plus root x to the power plus half multiplied by 1 plus minus half, it will become plus half in the denominator. Okay. What is meant by power half? Power half means square root. So it will become 2 square root whole power half है ना, x plus root x multiplied by 1 plus 1 upon what is meant by power half? Here also square root. So this is your answer. Next question. Question number 10. E to the power xy minus 4xy is equal to 0. dy by dx is asked. We need to find dy by dx. Now e to the power xy. Okay. That means here it is implicit function. So directly we can write e to the power something the differentiation. E to the power something product chain rule. X differentiation 1, y as it is plus y dy by dx, x as it is minus 4. Here also product rule, x to 1, y as it is plus y dy by dx, x as it is into 0. From these two terms, this bracket and this bracket take common, it will become y here it will be right of this. Now here e to the power xy minus 4xy is equal to 0. Differentiation of e to the power something is e to the power something, but this something is not x. It is not x. So we need to differentiate that something again in the product. In the product, we need to differentiate this xy again. Okay. What is the differentiation of xy? आपण बघितलं differentiation of x is 1, y as it is, plus differentiation of y, that is dy by dx, x as it is, minus 4 differentiation of xy, again the same thing. Differentiation of xy जे आता केलं तेच का असणार ना. Now from these two terms we can take half this bracket and this bracket as common, because these two brackets are same. So 1 into y is y and x dy by dx. Then I have taken common. Okay. Now the remaining term, here the remaining term is e to the power xy, here the remaining term is minus 4. Okay. Now product of these two terms is 0. That means either this term is 0 or this term is 0. When याला मी 0 substitute केला, when this y goes to LHS, RHS, it will become minus y. X is in the numerator. When it goes to this side, it goes go to denominator. So this is your answer. Now here, log x by y is equal to x plus y. So what is the differentiation of log something? Differentiation of log something is 1 upon something. That is 1 upon x plus y. 1 upon x by y. Log something. Differentiation 1 upon something. Something is x by y. So x by y. This x by y is not x. So we need to differentiate it again in the product. X upon y. X upon y means we need to apply quotient rule. What is quotient rule? Differentiation of first, second as it is. First is x, second is y. Differentiation of first means x differentiation 1, second as it is, minus differentiation of second means differentiation of y, that is dy by dx, into first as it is. that is x. Okay, upon second the square, second square, v square, v ko y and y square. Now this is the differentiation of log x by y. Now on RHS, differentiation of x is 1, differentiation of y is divided by x. This is the differentiation. इथून पुढे फक्त सिम्प्लिफिकेशन. काय सिम्प्लिफिकेशन केले? Here y is denominator's denominator. Take this y to the numerator. Denominator's denominator will be numerator. So it will become y upon x. This y cancel out. Here there are two y's. इधर एक y, यातला y इथल्या y ला cancel होणार. This x into y, xy, that is xy. Xy goes to RHS. So here it will be xy into xy divided by x. हो गया तो. Okay. Now here see x and y is the product in the denominator. When it goes to RHS, it will go to numerator. So xy plus xy divided by dx. Okay. From x divided by dx and xy divided by dx, we can take dy by dx as common. So dy by dx is common. So remaining terms are x plus xy. X plus xy. Now here x plus xy is in the numerator. हा जर इकडे गेला तर पुढे जाणार आहे डिनॉमिनेटर जाणार आहे. So y into 1 minus x upon x plus xy. So from these two terms x and xy, we can take x as a common. So the remaining is 1 plus y. Here it is 1, here it is y. So this is your answer. This one is question number 12. is power half. When it goes to numerator, it will become minus half. What is the power rule? Take the power in the numerator. So here it will be negative, 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 and so it will be negative. Okay. Now here 1 upon root x. Root x म्हणजे power half. When this goes to numerator, it will become minus half. Apply the power rule. Minus half. Take the power in the numerator and reduce the power by 1. Minus half minus 1. Minus half minus 1 is minus 3 by 2. Now minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. When it goes to denominator, it will become plus 3 by 2. Plus 3 by 2. Okay. 3 by 2 म्हणजे किती? दीड. 3 by 2. So we can write 3 by 2 as power 1 power half. 3 upon 2. 3 upon 2 म्हणजे किती? 1.5. 1.5 ना? 3 upon 2. 1.5 म्हणजे 1 and half. So 1 x to the power 1 keep as it is. X to the power half means root x. Okay. So this is the differentiation of 12th question. Now question number 13. It is product of x square and log x. X square and log x. So differentiation of first, that is 2x. Second function as it is, that is log x. Then differentiation of second, log x differentiation 1 upon x. First function as it is, that is x square. X square, there are 2x. In the denominator there is single x. यातला एक x, यातला एक x का cancel. Only x is remaining. So x plus 2x log x. X plus 2x log x. X and x are common. Remaining is 1 plus 2 log x. 1 plus 2 log x. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 रूट 2 रूट x म्हणजे x टू द पावर हाफ कॉन्स्टंट टू द पावर वेरिएबल दैट इज एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन x टू द पावर हाफ चं तुम्हाला माहिती आहे पावर हाफ खाली ना पावर हाफ माइनस 1 it will be negative half 3 to the power 2x will be 3 to the power 2x log 3 but this 2x is not x differentiate it again in the product difference of 2x is 2 okay now x to the power minus half when it goes to denominator it will become plus half this 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2 ला जाता है half root 2 cancel root 2 x to the power half means square root so root 2 and square root of x goes in common okay constant to the power variable a to the power x differentiate a to the power x log a but this 2x is not x so differentiate it again multiply by 2 now here also e to the power something so e to the power something is not x differentiate it again so 3x square the differentiation 6x 6x so 6 ax so a 4x so 4 8x so 8 3x so 3 6x so 6 2 is a constant the differentiation 0 6x minus 6 ikada ala out of this 6 minus 6 is common remaining is x minus 1 so e to the power something so e to the power something is not x differentiate it again okay now here f of x is equal to x square minus 6x plus 8 difference of x square is 2x minus 6x is 6 8 so 0 constant now f dash of 5 here which are f dash of 5 minus f dash of 8 substitute 5 x value 5 into 10 10 minus 6 4 f dash of 8 8 into 16 16 minus 6 10 now f dash of 5 minus f dash of 8 4 minus 10 4 minus 10 it is minus 6 in the option there are various options I will check for option number B which is correct answer 3 into f dash of 2 first I will find f dash of 2 f dash of 2 म्हणजे काय 2 into 2 minus 6 2 into 2 4 4 minus 6 it is minus 2 आता minus 2 ला किती मल्टिप्लाय केलं पाहिजे म्हणजे आन्सर minus 6 is minus 2 multiplied by which number to get minus 6 I have to multiply by 3 so minus 2 into 3 which is in the option number B okay so this answer here f of x is equal to x to the power k and f dash of 1 is 10 is given and value of k is asked so if I differentiate by power rule take the power in the numerator and reduce the power by 1 so take k in the numerator and reduce the power by 1 means k minus 1 so this is the differentiation and f dash of 1 is 10 that means when x is equal to 1 answer is 10 substitute the value of x is 1 1 to the power anything is 1 1 to the power k minus 1 is 1 so k into 1 is 10 hence k is equal to 10 this is question number 17 now in question number 18 this is the division rule or quotient rule x square by 1 plus 1 by x square this is the answer so here x square minus 1 is the first function x is the second function u upon v differentiate x square minus 1 that is x square is 2x 1 is 0 that time second function as it is that is x minus differentiation of second function x differentiation that is 1 first function as it is that is x square minus 1 upon v square v is x square 2x into x 2x square minus x square and minus of minus plus 1 2x square minus x square 1x square 2 apple minus 1 apple 1 apple 2x square minus x square and plus 1 now x square by x square is 1 and 1 upon x square is 1 upon x square similar question number 19 y is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square. Okay, now इधर पण सेम है x square plus 1 upon x, division of 2, quotient rule, x square plus 1, difference of first function 2x, second function x as it is, minus difference of x, difference of second 1, x square plus 1, first function as it is, upon second square v square, that is x square, 2x into x, 2x square, x square negative, minus of 1 is minus 1, 2 apple minus 1 apple, 2x square minus x square is x square, minus 1, x square by x square 1, 1 by x square is 1 by x square, minus 9. Question number 20, y is equal to x square upon e to the power x, f dash of 1 is asked. So this is f of x. So f dash of x is equal to, बघा differentiation of first 2x e to the power second function as it is, minus differentiation of second, what is the difference of e to the power x, e to the power x, first function as it is, that is x square, upon second square, second square म्हणजे काय, e to the power x चा square. मग मला सांगा वरती e to the power x आहे, e to the power x आहे आणि खाली e to the power x चा स्क्वेअर आहे, मग मी e to the power x कॉमन घेतला आणि खाली डिनॉमिनेटरला 2 आहे, e to the power x 2 टाइम्स आहे, तर ते कॅन्सल होईल. So this I will take common and cancel out to the one of the e to the power x. So now it is 2x minus x square, 2x minus x square upon e to the power x. This is f dash of x. What is asked? F dash of 1. So f dash of 1 means wherever there is x, substitute 1 because x value 1 है. So 2 into 1 minus 1 square upon e to the power 1. So 2 into 1 2, 1 square is 1, e to the power something is e to the power 1 is 1. Any number to the power 1 is the number itself. So 2 minus 1 is 1 upon e. So answer will be 1 upon e. ठीक है, हे तीनही क्वेश्चंस क्वोशंट रूल चे होते. क्वोशंट रूल बघा x स्क्वेअर चा डिफरन्शिएशन 2x 1 to 0 सेकंड फंक्शन as it is, minus differentiation of x is 1, 1x is 1, first function as it is, x square minus 1 upon second square, 2x into x, 2x square minus x square minus into minus plus 1, 2 apple minus apple, 2x square minus x square is x square, okay, plus this 1 upon x square by x square 1 by x square. So here also quotient rule, this question and this question number 18 and 19 are just differed by a sign, okay. So these are the answers of today's test, yesterday's test, sorry, Saturday's test. Hope you are studying well. ह्याच्यामध्ये काय डाऊट असेल आता मध्ये थोडासा सॉरी फॉर दिस क्लास, खूप सारा डिस्टर्बन्स येतोय बाहेरून आणि मी काय केलंय त्यामुळे जेव्हा आवाज येत होता त्यावेळी मी सायलेंटली लिहित होतो, तुम्ही पण आन्सर्स राईट डाऊन करा. जेव्हा आवाज बंद झालेला आहे त्यावेळेला मी एक्सप्लेनेशन दिलेलं आहे. इफ यू नीड एक्सप्लेनेशन then listen to it, otherwise I have given all the answers of every questions. Thank you very much.